It's wet. It's rainy. Hey, what's going on, guys? Cam here from Gray Media. So today we are going to be talking about Instagram highlights. So Instagram highlights is something that Facebook integrated into Instagram about a year and a half ago to 2 years ago. And it is a really good feature to be on the platform now. It's a great way to actually showcase a bunch of different features for your business, especially for businesses. Instagram was kind of formed as like the new version of the business card. That's how I see Instagram being utilized for businesses. Say you're a contractor, and that's how we're going to use the example for this video. So we're going to use an electrician, for example. Okay, so I've worked in real estate. I've worked in all different industries, wedding photography. I've worked in the food businesses, all different types of industries of photography. And one thing about contracting is it's really cool because on Instagram, people like watching people do work. So if you really wanted to, as a contractor, all you would have to do is invest into like a GoPro camera and your phone and maybe a laptop. But you should have a laptop if you're running a business anyways. So follow me here, okay? So you'd wear the GoPro at work and you'd film yourself doing really cool jobs that you use your hands a lot in. So that means anything that you do a lot with your hands, like I know people who tape, people who seal different things, anything that you can utilize and show a lot off on with your hands and make it look like you're doing quite a bit. I personally don't enjoy watching people do stuff as much as other people do, but I know from my own experience of creating video content of me playing video games, I had 70,000 followers, people who were just watching me play a video game. So that means if you filmed what you were doing in a day, posted it online, you guys can probably start generating audiences of tens of 40s of hundreds of thousands of followers depending on the industry. And I can promise you it will grow to that at some point in your industry. I can guarantee it, just because that's the way the world is going. And if there are people in that industry, there are people who are going to have an interest in that niche. And if you can get in front of those people, you can probably pull them in if you have good quality stuff. So not to get too far off track, what I was saying is Instagram highlights. How this is done is you basically have to record on your Instagram story, and when you record on your Instagram story, it deletes after 24 hours. Little did you know, it actually doesn't delete after 24 hours, and it saves to something called your Instagram archive. It saves your feed archive as well, and you can delete a feed post at any time. You can't delete it, but you can archive it, and if you archive it, it will actually save it on your or save it in a folder basically that's hidden in the background of Instagram, and you guys can bring it up to your profile at any time. So this will be explained upon in another video if you guys have any interest in that. That's going to be called grids. But to stay on track here, your stories get added to this archive as well. So every single story you've ever recorded since stories came out basically has been saved to your Instagram. So that's going to be something interesting. So if you guys have already been utilizing the stories, you guys can probably get into this right now. So as a contractor, what I would do if I was starting Instagram is make a cool grid, have a nice photo, have a nice written up description, and the next part is the highlights. If you don't have any highlights in here, hop in here, and the first thing I would do is go online and look up things like highlight thumbnail generators and highlight thumbnail logos online, and like you'll find them in Google Images. Just screenshot them and put them in there. It makes it look a lot better. I'll show a screenshot up here what I mean by this, but you guys can do it in Photoshop. You guys can do it wherever you want to make it your own. But this is really good because you can put a contact us here and put like all of the different ways, and you can find different creative ways to show it off in video and show it off with infographics and just show it off in many different ways. And then you can have the next one kind of like what we do, or like the team. So say you work with a team of people and you guys kind of do work together, you're gonna wanna document that because you're gonna have a personality. So you guys can have almost a television show on your Instagram page just by posting to your Instagram story. And when you post your Instagram story, after go back and save it to the highlight story, and it'll add up like a story kinda on your page. So now you have a contact us, a story mode here, and now you're gonna wanna have things like your YouTube page. So something, if you have a YouTube channel, record vlogs using the GoPro that I said to get, post them on YouTube. Also cut up those clips, make 2 to 3 Instagram posts out of each one of those videos, post them to Instagram, cut those up, and make them into infographic story posts that you guys can get templates off of Envato Elements for free. Well, you pay $19 a month, but you guys can get unlimited templates for free, which is great. That's what I use. And then you guys can just drop videos into these templates using After Effects. As long as you have the Creative Cloud Suite, it's super, super easy to do. And now you just want to fill up your highlights. So you're going to want to have a contact us, like a team, an Instagram, different services you provide. So maybe if you guys mastered, or for example, especially with electricians, so you were working on a certain house, you can have that address or you can name that project and you can have that as a certain highlight. So they're testimonials, and then they'll be able to watch it from the start of the old looking, shitty, unrenovated 10-year-old house, and then you can record the progress on your story. People like watching this, and then add them all to your highlight, and at the end you can have the final one, and you can have the customers giving you a good testimonial. It's literally like a story that you're not doing anything but recording quick Instagram story posts, maybe once a day for 3 months, or once every 3 days for 3 months. It's not too hard to do, and you can start building up testimonials basically in here. So these are quick little tips that I wanted to give you guys on Instagram highlights. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to drop a like on it, subscribe. If you are new around the channel, I'm gonna be posting tons of tips for business owners basically. So if you own a business, if you want to learn how to make money using social media, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do that. I'm 21 years old myself, and I make money primarily just using the internet. And I wanna basically teach people how to do that in every different way, because I don't only make money using social media. I repair cell phones and I do little side hustles, and I want to teach people that, because that's the key thing. Is you're not going to make money overnight. You're going to make money by hustling your ass off and working your ass off during the day, because early birds get all the worms. So there's an app called Kijiji, which is basically Craigslist for Canada, and I posted on here a photo sessions, so Christmas photo sessions. And somebody actually, I had 4 people click on the ad that I posted completely for free last night. 4 people clicked on the ad, 1 person replied, and sent me $101.73, I think, for a 1 hour, 50 photo session with me. So I'm gonna edit those photos. It's gonna take me an hour, and I made $100 just like that. So I want to teach this to you guys on the YouTube channel. If this is something you'd be interested in, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys want to learn from me. It's been Cam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.